All right, now let's take a look at the back side of the Punnett square problem set. Now this is a little bit more difficult. You're actually doing the same thing, but it's not giving you the alleles. It's giving you a description of the alleles, okay? So if we look at number 1, it says there's a homozygous dominant brown salt marsh harvest mouse. Homozygous dominant is the capital G. And it's being crossed with a heterozygous brown salt marsh harvest mouse. And then over here it's telling you that tan is the recessive color. So that means if you get that would be if you got 2 lowercase g's. So dominant, homozygous dominant, if we look up here, that is capital G. Heterozygous, looking up here, is capital G lowercase g. So now I can do my Punnett square cross. I take my capital G, and then I put my heterozygous individual over here, do the cross.
So on this chart, what you do is here's your Punnett square over here. So you would have the letters over here, and there should be a box right there you can fill in. So that would be your capital G, and if you tab over, then that would be your lowercase g. And then I think I should put on the side here, big G, and then tab down, big G. So that's where you can put in your letters, and then you should be able to fill in your crosses in here. And then you'll be able to fill out your phenotypes you'll be able to fill out your genotype ratio here and your phenotype ratio here. And again, if you're not sure, again, you always have the same genotypes. It might be different letters, but it'll be the same genotypes. You're always going to have a big G, and a big G, little g, or a big T, and a little big T, little t, and finally. But then you'd have to put in the numbers. You have to put in the ratio numbers for these. All right, let's get back to the tutorial.
And these are my possible offspring from this cross between the 2 mice. So the genotype of the offspring, I've got 2 dominant homozygous dominant mice, and I've got 2 heterozygous mice. Now my phenotype, remember, that's what they look like. Now in this case, all of the offspring are going to be brown, because if it has at least one of the dominant genes or alleles, that means that the mouse is going to be brown. So 4 brown. If I had some combination where it gave me 2 recessive alleles, lowercase g, then that mouse would be tan, not brown. All right, try and do the rest of these on your own. They can be a little challenging. Come see myself or Mr. Lindeman if you have questions. Thank you.